Hello and welcome to French Fried Trains. It's Saturday, February 6, 2021. We headed out to Leo Street in the morning, and we waited about an hour for this train to arrive. Check that out. CSX number 391. The Spirit of Dante leads as a pair of YN2 AC44 CWs pull this train. The leader built in 1999 and the trailing unit in 2002. I had never caught the Spirit of Dante before, so this was cool. A nice manifest train in the bright sunlight. What more could you ask for on a Saturday morning? And here's the CSX Big Blue Boxcar. And a row of shiny new Procore tank cars. And a couple more new ones. And some Cryotrans refrigerator cars, all graffitied up. And a few more refrigerator cars mixed in. These ones are Union Pacific. Loaded scrap guns bring up the rear of the train. And that was the only train I got on Saturday, as I had places to be. The next time I was able to get out rail fanning was on Monday the 8th. And unfortunately, as I was coming into my usual spot, sitting about a block away at a red light, the gates dropped and I couldn't get there in time. A train went by and I missed the head end. So I recorded some of it from the car here. A fully loaded southbound coal train. About an hour after that, the next train arrived. Another pair of AC-44 CWs, the leader still in Y&2 paint and one built in 1995, the trailing unit built in 1996. I don't know if you can see in this zoomed in shot here, but that lead unit was putting out a lot of smoke. And here we see a pair of CSX ballast cars. Nope, the side dump mechanism's on the bottom. And a single Union Pacific reefer there. And a large cut of empty flats. This went on for a few minutes, so we'll skip ahead. Here's a load of telephone poles. And another. And a cut of guns. About a half an hour after he passed, we got our next train. This time a southbound. Check it out, 3 locomotives on the head end with a nice mix of power. We have an ET-44AH leading, followed by an SD-40-3 rebuild, originally built for the Louisville and Nashville. And the third unit is an SD-42, originally built for Conrail. On top of all that, this train would also end up having a 4th unit running mid-train DPU. But he was another one of these precision scheduled railroading monster manifests, so we'll be skipping around to save time. Some interesting little characters on this one. And some more little characters painted on this one. Here's a shiny new tank car. And here comes the 4th locomotive. And there it goes, an ET-44AH. This covered hopper has a Simpsons character on it. And here comes one of the old classic Conrail boxcars. Check out the odd mix of coloring on this old Northwestern car. And that was all the trains I got that day. So that's all for this episode of French Fried Trains. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And everyone have a great week. Stay safe out there and stay tuned for more.